Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to back up and restore your Windows 10 Start menu using a free tool called Start Menu Tool. So for those of you who are still on Windows 10, you might find this handy. Alright, so we have just this basic computer here, nothing really special about it. With the default Start menu here, got some productivity section, Explore section, that's about it. So what we're going to do first is open the tool. And we're going to back up the current layout. I already have a backup from before, and you could also lock it so you can't make any changes. So we're going to back it up here. So it's going to overwrite my current backup. You can only have one backup here. Takes a second, so you have to wait for the confirmation. There we go. All right, so now we're going to change the menus here. So let's put Disney in here. Name that folder temp. Put a 2 after that. Let's delete Spotify. Let's drag Solitaire out. Move photos down to Explore, like that. Okay, so there's our change start menu. And of course you could change other things as well. I just wanted to make some quick changes so you get the idea. So now we're going to restore the backup layout. Back to this date and time. You'll see the screen kind of flash a little bit. And it'll actually pop up your start menu automatically there. Okay. This is back to the original name. Disney's out of the group here. Solitaire's back in the play group here instead of up here, and so on. All right, so now let's try the lock current layout. Okay, locked from any changes, so let's see what happens here. Can't click on it to change the name. We can't drag and drop anything around here. We could open this, but we can't drag anything out. So everything's locked. Then we could unlock it. Okay, now it's unlocked. Now we could go ahead and rearrange things and rename things as needed. All right, so that's the basic overview of how the program works. So you get one backup, and then you could restore it as needed or make a new backup if you make some changes and you want to have that to be your backup configuration. And then, of course, you could lock the layout as well. So this might come in handy if you have other people on the computer and they're always making changes. You could lock it and then just kind of hide this icon, and that way they won't be able to mess up any of your settings. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download Start Menu Tool and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.